Welcome. In today's session, we'll explore how to create an object by associating keys from one array with values from another. This technique is useful when processing structured data dynamically. Let's get started. Our function should ensure that each key from the first array is assigned the value from the second array. If there are extra keys, they should have undefined, and if there are extra values, they should be ignored. This function takes two arrays, uses reduce to iterate over the keys, and assign values accordingly. The extra keys get undefined, and extra values are ignored. The function initializes an empty object and iterates through the keys array, assigning values from the second array. It ensures that keys without values are assigned undefined, while excess values are ignored. This table illustrates how the function behaves with different input sizes. If there are more properties than values, undefined is assigned. If there are more values than properties, the extra values are then ignored. This technique is particularly useful when handling API responses, working with spreadsheet data, or dynamically creating objects based on structured input. To recap, this function provides a flexible way to create objects from arrays. It is an efficient approach, useful in real-world applications like API processing and data manipulation. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.